Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be taking the Niimbot little smart label printer. Now I got this for my birthday. This is going to be great for printing labels for phones, and it will definitely improve my way of organising everything. We'll just get into it. This is a phone opening tool. So it comes with a little USB-C cable. Take that out. Now, does it come with the labels already in it? Yes, it does, but they're not opened. So it's actually quite a nice little device, quite small. USB-C port on the bottom, button there. So it's got a quick start guide. I imagine it's pretty straightforward. Oh, print side facing down. Right, okay. It's probably a good thing I knew that. So I don't know why there's only the one app, so I assume they have loads of different printers who use the same app. So while that downloads, I will... This goes facing down. Put that back in. Oh, that might help. Where you found it? Well, you can't really see that. Pair. Oh, made a noise at me. So that's what's in the printer. So we'll obviously use that one. So I guess it's just, you know, you put text on it. So I've got a phone here for an example of what I will use this printer for. So that's probably the best. I want it in the middle. We'll print it. Oh, fuck, I definitely put them in there wrong. Hey, it did do it though. Right, so I'm hoping... So what do I do now? Tear it? Oh, I felt like I was like ruining it if I teared it. So iPhone 13, midnight, 128 gigs. So say I'll just stick that on the back here. Like that. Oh, you can't even see. And then what I'll do is I'll print that again. That was really quick that time. And oh, it is cutting it off a bit, so maybe I need to... Right, I'm going to print this same thing again to see how it goes. Nope, it proper cut it off that time. That's my bad, that one. I want people to know they can buy phones off me. So let's print that out and see how it looks. I mean, it's obviously quite small, black and white, obviously. It's just a little thermal printer. But yeah, if I focus in on that, that looks pretty good. The quality is quite good as well. Although it's quite small, it's readable. So, like, you know, stick that there. You know, then someone who buys the phone off me can see all the details there. It's again not focused. But yeah, so that was why I wanted one of these. It was my uncle who bought me it. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Right, so that's saved now. Oh no, I didn't want to print it again. That's fine because it will come in useful. Like I said, point in case. I'll stick it on the back. So yeah, I'm now gonna go and label everything. Image. Let's try putting an image on it. I've got this photo. Oh, that's how it's gonna look, is it? So I've got this photo of my dog wrapped in a blanket. Yeah, that's not gonna... At least it shows you what it's gonna look like. Oh, that looks better. You can change it like that. Oh, that actually looks usable, relatively. Hey, for a little label printer, that's not a bad print. You can make out sort of what it is. But yeah, thank you guys for watching my video on the Niimbot little printer. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys come back for the next one. Bye.